The ARCCAPTAIN iControl TIG 205P Welder stands out for its rare smartphone app integration, letting you monitor and fine-tune settings without constantly walking back to the machine. Its 5-mode design, covering direct current TIG, pulse TIG, lift TIG, spot TIG, and stick welding, makes it a flexible choice for users who work on a wide range of metals and thicknesses. The machine uses a dedicated control chip to deliver very reliable arc starts in quick response, which translates into a smooth, stable arc with noticeably less spatter. Extensive adjustability for pulse parameters, post-flow, downslope, and spot timing allows experienced welders to dial in very precise control for clean, repeatable results. The stick welding side benefits from automatic optimization of hot start and arc force, helping prevent sticking and making difficult electrodes much easier to run. Dual voltage capability, active cooling, and layered safety protections give this welder the durability and confidence you want for regular use in both home shops and tougher job site conditions.